Welcome to Boss Talk Radio. If you're just tuning in, this is a new segment that we have going on. It only makes sense. It's called Boss Tax Tips. And as a tax professional, I figure, well, why not bring that value to the show on a more consistent basis and whatnot? So today, tax tip number one is going to be year-end tax planning. I want you to really tune in right now. 'Cause every year during the tax filing season, we get tons of calls and emails from people looking to reduce their tax liability. By that time, there are very limited legal options, to do so. So despite this desperation, rarely do they accept the need to do tax planning for the current year during that time. In other words, when you were looking at filing your taxes earlier this year, if you were in that position where you were going to owe some astronomical figure or whatever, did you spend the extra money to do tax planning to reduce your tax liability for the coming filing season, for the 2020 tax year? And I see a lot of complaints about, large companies like Amazon or large corporations that didn't pay. And of course, there are those who have a tax refund as their only windfall of funding, who, despite a number of life changes, can't seem to grasp why their refund may be less than the year before. Having a tax plan is a key part of strategic wealth building. Year-end tax planning is a proactive effort to make adjustments and take actions to reduce or eliminate your tax liability. I need you to understand this is not a cookie cutter, one size fits all, this is the method to do so type of thing. Now, this is where a paradigm shift becomes necessary, because understand that this is an investment that could save you thousands of dollars annually. These are the keys to the secrets of the wealthy. They understand it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you can keep. Tactics ranging from deferring sales, making key purchases, abandoning assets, and so much more goes into a comprehensive year-end tax plan. Technical practices like these are what separate qualified financial professionals from the online incomplete information sharing kitchen table certified tax professionals. So October is the time to have a year-end tax plan done. It leaves you a couple of months to execute whatever strategy is put together without putting too much of a strain on cash flows or business fulfillment during the holidays. So if you'd like to learn more or have your own custom tax plan done, visit us at elite8financial.com/appointments. I'm going to go ahead and type that in here as fast as I can. elite8financial.com, and just go to the appointment section, and it'll allow you to choose different services and whatnot. But again, a year-end tax plan is the ability to take action now to minimize your tax liability for 2020. This has been George Dandridge. This has been your tax tip. We'll see you guys on next week. Until then, get behind the shield.